Finding the perfect wireless mouse can make a huge difference in your daily productivity, gaming performance, and overall comfort. Whether you're working long hours, traveling, or gaming competitively, the right mouse gives you better control, smoother movement, and less strain on your hand. Today's wireless mice come packed with advanced features like adjustable DPI, long battery life, ergonomic designs, and ultra-fast connectivity. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the best wireless mice that deliver excellent performance, comfort, and reliability. Let's dive in and find the perfect mouse that fits your needs. Number 1. TECKNET Wireless Mouse. This compact wireless mouse is designed for portability and everyday convenience. With its small size, it's perfect for travel while still offering a comfortable ergonomic grip that fits naturally in your hand. The rubber side grips provide extra thumb support, making long working sessions easier and more comfortable. It features 5 adjustable DPI levels, allowing precise cursor control on most surfaces. With up to 24 months of battery life, it ensures long-lasting performance without frequent replacements. The plug-and-play design makes setup simple. Just connect the USB receiver and start using it instantly. Ideal for students, office users, and travelers who need a reliable and portable mouse. Number 2. Acer Wireless Mouse. This wireless office mouse delivers stable and reliable performance with 2.4 GHz connectivity, ensuring smooth operation without interruptions. Designed for medium to large hands, it offers a comfortable grip for extended use. With 3 adjustable DPI levels, you can easily switch sensitivity depending on your task, whether it's browsing, designing, or working on documents. The forward and backward buttons make navigation faster and more efficient. It also features a smart sleep mode that saves battery by turning off after inactivity, extending its lifespan significantly. The visual indicator helps track DPI settings and battery status. This mouse is perfect for home, office, and daily productivity tasks. Number 3. Logitech G305 Lightspeed Wireless Gaming Mouse. The Logitech G305 Lightspeed is a high-performance wireless gaming mouse built for speed and precision. It features the advanced Hero sensor with up to 12,000 DPI, delivering accurate tracking and efficient performance. With Lightspeed wireless technology, you get ultra-fast 1 millisecond response time for lag-free gaming. Despite being wireless, it offers an impressive 250 hours of battery life on a single AA battery. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to carry and perfect for gaming on the go. The built-in nano receiver storage adds extra convenience for travel. This mouse is an excellent choice for gamers who want performance, portability, and reliability. Number 4. memzuoix 2.4G Wireless Mouse. This ergonomic wireless mouse is built for maximum comfort and durability. Its contoured shape, along with finger rests, provides excellent hand support, reducing fatigue during long hours of use. The sweat-resistant surface ensures a secure grip, even during extended sessions. With 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity, it delivers a stable connection up to a long working distance. The mouse is designed to last, with buttons tested for millions of clicks. It also features low power consumption and an automatic sleep mode to extend battery life. Compatible with multiple operating systems, this mouse is a great choice for office work, study, and everyday use. Number 5. Razer Viper V3 Pro Wireless Esports Gaming Mouse. The Razer Viper V3 Pro is a top-tier gaming mouse designed for professional-level performance. Its ultra-lightweight 54-gram design allows fast and precise movements, perfect for competitive gaming. Equipped with the advanced Focus Pro 35K optical sensor, it delivers exceptional tracking accuracy on various surfaces. The 8,000 Hz hyperpolling technology ensures incredibly fast response times for a smoother gaming experience. With Razer Hyperspeed Wireless, you get stable and lag-free connectivity even in intense environments. The optical switches offer a long lifespan and ultra-fast actuation. With up to 95 hours of battery life, this mouse is built for serious gamers who demand speed, precision, and reliability. Product recommendation. For the best overall performance, the Razer Viper V3 Pro is the ultimate choice for competitive gaming. If you want a balance of performance and portability, the Logitech G305 is perfect. For daily work and comfort, the compact and ergonomic wireless mice are excellent, reliable options. That's it for today's list of the best wireless mice you can choose from. Each of these options offers unique features, whether you need high-end gaming performance, ergonomic comfort, or simple everyday reliability. Choosing the right mouse can improve your productivity, reduce hand strain, and enhance your overall experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content like this. Let us know in the comments which mouse you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.